haven't upgraded the robot. You know?
Yeah.
You just look at them and go, they need a newer model. They need it. And so I think especially with all the antitrust concerns that are out there with a number of these companies, there's a lot of leadership stepping down. Not a bad thing necessarily.
Right. They have a bullseye on their back almost because of the wealth that they have just generated from, you know, a company this size. 27 years ago, he started in his garage, and look what it's turned into. Just unbelievable.
I don't know what I was doing 27 years ago, but it didn't turn into Amazon. I can tell you that much. It really did not. Let's see. I want to go through some of these other stories just as this is just a good one just to catch up on. Colonial Pipeline missed requested security review just before half. They were supposed to have they're in the process of scheduling a federal cyber security assessment right when the attackers struck the pipeline. So, oops. This is like that Office episode where Creed hasn't done his job with paper quality insurance, and then he finds one lady who happened to be out that week, and says, "Oh, she had a dentist appointment. There was no way I could have done this project." Same kind of thing here. Oh, we were supposed to have a cybersecurity maneuver, but we just missed it before everything hit the fan. When you were referencing the Office, I thought you were going to be referencing the episode where Dwight tries to do a fire drill.
Oh yeah,
by lighting a fire in one of the rooms.
That's another phenomenal one. And then he puts all these impediments.
Yes, and it prevents you from getting out. So
it seems like something that would be up your alley.
Shucked into the fire drill.
No, just kind of yanking everyone's chain in, not making sure we were up to. It does kind of seem like something I would do, doesn't it?
Breaking white. It's a little time shot. Wonderful. So yeah, you have this case where the pipeline was supposed to be going through this security review, and gee, we just couldn't schedule it. So I bet they don't get to the next one.
I'm breathing deep.
Put you in a better financial position today.
Motivation of beach noises. Well, they got something else.
Google Play.
I'm over kind of. Yeah, I just don't care.
All the thing I wanted.
Becoming a
Listen up. Cape Cod Lumber and CCL Homescapes are committed to...
Boston's #1 for hip-hop.
Jamming 94.5.
Chabrier's Habanera with the Orchestra of the Swiss Romande Némanière. It's 11:59. Want to remind you, coming up on Saturday, 8 o'clock, in an encore broadcast of the Boston Symphony Orchestra, we're going back to 2017. Anders Nelson leads the Boston Symphony in a celebration of Johannes Brahms, including the composer's first and third symphonies. What a rich evening, an incredible night. It's the Boston Symphony Orchestra, Saturday night, 8 o'clock, only here on 99.5 WCRB.
Classical Radio Boston is WCRB-FM 99.5 HD1 Lowell, Boston, WGBH-FM HD2 Boston, WCAI-FM HD2 Woods Hole, WJMF-FM Smithfield, Providence, and at classicalwcrb.org.
We will get up into the low 80s today, 76 right now in downtown Boston. I'm Kathy Fuller. It's exactly 12 o'clock.